We'll guide you through how to create Invoice in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page loads, locate the template gallery, which is usually displayed near the top of the screen. Click the Template Gallery button in the top right corner to view a collection of ready-made spreadsheet templates. Next, scroll down through the available templates to explore the different categories provided by Google Sheets. Continue scrolling until you find the section labeled Work. This section contains templates designed for professional and business purposes. Inside the Work section, look carefully for the Invoice template. Once you find it, click the Invoice template to open it. After the template opens, observe the ready-made invoice layout that Google Sheets provides. The template already contains structured sections that make creating invoices much easier. Begin editing by changing the business name located at the top of the invoice to match your company or personal business name. After that, enter your business address in the section provided. Then add your contact information, such as your phone number or email address, so the client can easily reach you if needed. Next, locate the invoice number field within the template. Edit the invoice number so it matches the correct number for your transaction or record system. Continue by finding the Payable to section, where you should enter the name of the person or company that will receive the payment. Then locate the Invoice Recipient section. In this area, type the name of the client or customer who is being billed. Once that information is complete, scroll down until you reach the Item Table section of the invoice. Enter the item name for each product or service in the appropriate column. Then fill in the quantity column based on how many units were purchased. After filling in the item details, review the total section, which is calculated automatically by the template. You may also customize the text formatting. You can even change text colors to improve the visual appearance of your invoice. Finally, review the entire invoice carefully to ensure that all information is correct. Remember that Google Sheets automatically saves your work.